Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm gonna keep it straight to the point. And as you already may know, you're probably gonna wanna know this one thing that's really gonna make you stand out from every other filmmaker out there, because nowadays, guys, there's a lot of people that are making videos, even taking pictures, social media, for anything, right? For people, whatever it may be. But if you're trying to tap into video specifically, because this is what I'm trying to keep my channel about, is obviously what I do the most. I do a lot of Photoshop work too. I just kind of like a mix of things, and I like to add it to my videos too. So I've been getting my skills a little better when it comes down to graphic design, and I do this because I don't consider myself a graphic designer. I don't know how to use Illustrator whatsoever. I know Illustrator is one of the main programs out there that graphic designers use, and I really don't know how to use it. What I do know how to use is like backgrounds, gradients, and the shapes, and I just try to be creative with stuff like that, and really come up with something that might be, or is unique to the client or to whoever might need something for their brands or their businesses. So that being said, guys, like the one thing that can separate you as a creator, whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's photography or film or video making, it's marketing, and you might be thinking like, fuck, what I need to know marketing for? Guys, that's the one ingredient that's gonna separate you from other filmmakers, or from being a one video person. Like it sucks chasing around video work all the time. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you can have a referral system, or you can have like a bunch of people that know you and they're coming back to you, and that's obviously the way to go too. But when you really dial into being a video marketer, not only are you good at making videos or content, but you also have the marketing side with you. And I would really encourage a lot of other filmmakers, or people that make videos. I don't even want to say filmmaker anymore, because filmmaking has a lot of respect behind that, and I don't really consider myself like a fucking great ass filmmaker, but I do consider myself a good video creator. You know what I'm saying? Like making videos and stuff like that. Filmmaking to me sounds like making Hollywood movies, or just some crazy next level Indiana Jones making shit, like making the big next great movie out there when I hear filmmaking. But when it comes down to making videos, whether it's shooting a car, or whether it's shooting a product or a restaurant, or I don't know, like landscaping, whatever business you may have, the more value you bring your client, the more attractive you're gonna be as a person that makes content. And I've been tapping into this for a while now. Even while I was going to film school, everybody was just trying to do, filmmaking, and that's cool. That's cool. You know what I'm saying? Or just making videos and stuff like that. But I feel like I was one of the very few people out there, because I didn't really know a lot of people at film school, so I can't really say I was the only one, but I feel like I was one of the very few ones though that was doing videos and also getting into the business marketing side of things, and delegating marketing within a business. So that's very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. And people say you should only stick to one thing, stick to one thing, because you're gonna get better at that one skill. And that's very true. I do believe that. I believe that if I was just focusing on film or making videos, I'd be probably a better video maker. But my goals in life and my career, what I'm trying to do, I feel like it's very rare. Not a lot of people can shoot good videos, decent videos at least, and market a business. You know what I'm saying? And nowadays, like, small businesses, guys, need someone like that. Okay? They need someone that can make content and know how to distribute media, and know how to make ads, and know how to write copy, and know how to budget appropriately to the appropriate platforms, that are relatable to your business. A lot of people may say that's a lot of work. It is a lot of work, but guys, once you start understanding the power of these two, skills, you'll see why it's so powerful to have that. And you'll see why it's so valuable for you as a content creator to be able to learn how to market a business, So guys, look, it might sound like a lot of work, because I do see a lot of people out there saying, are you doing ads? Are you writing copy? Are you making the content every day? Like, making it seem like there's an easier way to go about building a business, or, guys, if you want to separate yourself, if you want to be valuable, not only your videos, not only your graphic design, not only your your photography, all that is so cool. As an artist, like, I can see why we can tap into that a lot. Like, just talk about the video, just talk about the designs. Like, no, the business does not want to hear that. Well, they do. They want to kind of see why it would look cool, but they also want to know why it's going to impact their business in a good way. Business owners don't think about this shit. They don't think about why a good video is going to make them profitable, or why a good graphic design campaign or whatever it is that you're trying to do, billboard, I don't know, or photography, why it might make their business better. So if you as a creator doesn't know that, it's gonna be hard to sell. It's gonna be hard to sell your work. You might sell one job, you might sell a couple of jobs for, whatever money you decide to sell it for. But guys, if you really want to close a deal, if you really want to be on a consistent monthly basis with one client, that's how I see it. I know a lot of agencies out there have multiple clients getting paid a lot, but I work with small businesses, and if I can have one small business I'm working with and build with them, that's what makes me happy. Because it is a lot of work. It is a lot of work learning how to market a business and being profitable, and making your work worth it for them every month. So it's something to keep in mind, guys, as far as this video goes, and how to make yourself more valuable as a content creator. Real quick, guys, if you guys are enjoying this content, please like and please subscribe to my channel. I do want to keep delivering more value for you guys, or new content creators, maybe people that want to get into content creating and haven't really deep dived into it. And let's carry on. Marketing and content creating, mixing them both in a world like today, you know what I'm saying, with social media and all the outlets that there is out there, these are two very powerful skills that someone can, develop over time and make themselves valuable. So do not underestimate the power of marketing, guys. I know content creating can be its own thing, you know what I'm saying? But if you're also willing to do marketing and know how to make ads and know how to strategize and know how to talk to clients about their marketing efforts and stuff like that, and angle them in a way where it makes their business profitable, you actually come in with strategy. You actually come in with good marketing knowledge, terminology that they might not know, which you might want to clarify, you know what I'm saying? Because you got to baby step talk them into what you're about to do. Not all business owners know about marketing like that. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to talk to you guys about the one skill that is underrated in the content creating world. I mean, people know, content creators know that, creating content is part of the marketing efforts, but a lot of these content creators do not know how to actually market businesses. So learn how to do that, guys, if you're up to the challenge. I know it's a very difficult thing to learn because it's its own separate world, but at the same time, it's very congruent with the work that you're doing as a content creator. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said before, please like and subscribe if you like this content. I'm gonna keep delivering value. Like I said, one video a week. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later, guys. Peace.